Welcome to Simple Investing Secrets. In today's news, a new class action lawsuit alleges that several well-known finance YouTubers, including Stephan, Andrei Geek, Jaspreet Singh and others, should be held responsible for promoting now-disgraced cryptocurrency exchange FTX. A $1 billion class action lawsuit has been filed against these financial influencers, alleging that they were paid handsomely to promote the FTX brand before its demise. This crypto promotion lawsuit follows others that have been filed against celebrity endorsers like Tom Brady, Madonna, Gwyneth Paltrow and many others. According to Federal Trade Commission guidelines for social media influencers, creators must clearly disclose when they are being paid to promote a product. Kim Kardashian, for example, settled with the FTC for $1.26 million last year for not properly disclosing that she was paid $250,000 to promote Ethereum Max's EMAX token. A decade-long fraud in which the CEO of FTX, known as SBF, used billions of dollars in customer funds for personal expenses and high-risk bets through the exchange's sister trading house, Alameda Research, led to the collapse of the exchange over a 10-day period in November 2022. SBF is currently under house arrest before a trial scheduled in October of 2023. The lawsuit names 7 plaintiffs from across the US, Canada, the UK and Australia who all purchased FTX yield-bearing accounts. They are suing 8 YouTubers, an influencer agency and its founder for their losses, claiming the defendants did not disclose the nature and scope of their sponsorships and/or endorsement deals, payments and compensation, nor conduct adequate due diligence. The document claims that influencers played a major role in the FTX scandal, saying the crypto platform wouldn't have risen to such heights without their backing and hype. The lawsuit also alleges that the YouTubers took part in a civil conspiracy with FTX and misled customers with the false impression that any cryptocurrency assets held on the FTX platform were safe and were not being invested in unregistered securities. It adds that influencers took undisclosed payments ranging from tens of thousands of dollars to multi-million-dollar bribes. Among the defendants named in the lawsuit, some have vehemently denied they ever accepted cash for their positive take on the company at the time. Others have sought to distance themselves from the company and its issues by saying they never gave out personalized financial advice. Among the defendants is Kevin Paffrath, known by his 1.87 million YouTuber subscribers for his channel Meet Kevin. Kevin is a personal finance YouTuber who runs the Meet Kevin channel and has been featured on CNBC's Millennial Money series, normally releases videos to his followers about saving tips, travel credit cards, and how to manage real estate properties. In a video posted to his platform, Kevin addressed the allegations head-on in a video titled, "Being Sued." In the video he said he feels so terribly for anyone who lost money in FTX, adding that SBF is the most obvious criminal. We'll include a link to Kevin's video in our description below. He goes on to ask, what role, if any, do promoters play? The self-proclaimed financial analyst posed a hypothetical question. If he were a real estate agent and had a call from a potential house buyer, he could put them in touch with another agent who eventually sold them a home. Kevin goes on to say, that house could then fall into a sinkhole, drastically reducing its value, but as the first point of contact, would he be liable? It's like a spectrum, who's responsible? Kevin asks. The more we go away from who's truly responsible, the less responsibility there really seems to be. The lawsuit is essentially alleging that those folks, the people who suggested FTX, are responsible for fraud in any way at FTX. That's like saying the real estate agent who referred you to another agent is responsible for your home, all the way down the chain, including if the home falls into a hole. Kevin continues, ultimately, people have to put on their big boy pants. Why does a promoter have to guarantee the results of something they're promoting? Meet Kevin has been named alongside a raft of other finance creators, including Stephan, a former real estate agent who worked for Selling Sunset's Oppenheim Group. Andrei Geek, Jaspreet Singh of Minority Mindset, Brian Young, Jeremy Lefebvre, Tom Nash and Ben Armstrong are all named as supposedly taking payment for promoting the FTX. Also named is Creators Agency and its founder Erica Kullberg. Many of the creators have addressed the controversy around FTX on their YouTube channels, some apologizing and others trying to keep their viewers up to date with the ongoing case. In a video titled Let's Talk About FTX posted 4 months ago, Stephan tells his 4.2 million followers, he said, as much as I trusted the information I was given, I was wrong and I'm sorry. We'll include a link to Stephan Graham's video in our description. Graham goes on to say, I do my best to research and vet everything that comes my way, and this one I did not see coming. I've also personally used them as an exchange because of how trusted they were in the industry. Adam Moskowitz is the attorney representing the plaintiffs in this case but is familiar with the wider FTX situation. Moskowitz of the Moskowitz law firm, was the lawyer who brought similar claims against NFL legend Tom Brady, Brady's supermodel ex-wife, Gisele Bündchen, and 9 other celebrities. In an interview with the Washington Post, Moskowitz said, "You have very rich people we all love telling us that they checked this out, and it was okay. Why shouldn't they be held responsible? It seemed like a lot of investors were getting hurt and no one was really looking out for them." According to Moskowitz, who was speaking about the more recent incident, influencers are paid, just like all other promoters, and so must be held accountable. Moskowitz goes on to say that, due to their significant influence on today's financial decision-making through social media, they are compensated very well. Do you think these financial YouTubers should be financially responsible for FTX failure? Let us know what you think in the comments below. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for weekly updates on the best stocks to buy, financial news and cutting-edge investment strategies for building wealth. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your investments.